That. Oh. Get the level on, see if it's level. We started building this outside kitchen many weeks ago, but it just seems like it's a never ending story because the rain just keep coming and coming, and it taking longer than we expected. We thought we were going to finish in a couple of days, and as you can hear the thunder in the back, it's going to be raining soon. And so we are trying to put the walls up and get the roof on before the rain come down, because for the past 2 weeks it's just been raining like crazy. The nail. Let me see. Can you push it hard? We're gonna do this side first because it's kind of, like that. Yeah, it's good. Another one. Another nail. Another nail. This is too big though. Ready? Oh.
Can't get the camera wet, sorry.
We managed to quickly put the sides on and nail them in, and because we had the roof on, I was able to work from inside. We didn't film the rest of the sides that we put up because I couldn't get the camera wet and it was just pouring, and yeah, so we didn't film that. But as you can see, we got the sides up and we're still dry because of the roof. So right here I'm attempting to put up a shelf on the side there because I will be putting a small cabinet there for dishes, and it's gonna take up the whole space, so I wanted something at the top so that I can just rest miscellaneous things on top there, because right in front of me, as the video progresses and I show you more of the build, you will see that it will be like the cooking area and the cutting area, so a shelf will come really handy right there. After many heeing and hawing and measuring, I decided to not put a second shelf at the top. Instead, I will put a piece of wood across so I can hang my spoons and other utensils from the top, because if I put a shelf there, it's going to be too close to the present shelf at the bottom. So I decide against it, but it's okay because this is going to be in front of the cooking area, and if there's too much things in there, it's just going to block the area and make it like not have enough space. So instead I put this wood across over the cooking area so I can hang my pots, and this other wood I will use it to hang other things like my light. I also put this shelf, as you can see here, so I can add flowers. I put this tray here. I measured it first before I put it there just to make sure that it will fit the shelves, and as you can see, I add all this wood across and they will come in handy, you know, to hang things. This shelf right here, it's gonna be great to just kind of, if somebody's sitting there, you can hand food out there, or maybe I'll put some flowers there. I don't know what I'll do, but the tray fits perfectly there. Then I made this stand, which I didn't show you guys because it was raining too much and the rain was flying in, and since I you know, protecting the camera. But anyways, this is how it's looking so far, and I think so far me and my son did a good job, and everything else I think I did well. And this shelf on the side I have to fix because when it rains, water is coming onto the counter, so I will have to fix that, especially before the winter come in, because when it snows, water is gonna come into the kitchen. But yeah, so just enjoy the nice rain falling, and this shelf gotta be fixed. It's good for summertime, but not when it's raining. See, all the water is coming in. So y'all enjoy the beautiful soothing sound of rain in the countryside.
Friends, so welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm sitting in the outside kitchen. Let me clean my glasses. It's wet from rain. So as I mentioned in another video, we are constructing a outdoor kitchen. Yes guys, when I was a child, we always had a outdoor kitchen. Even in my early adult years, we had an outdoor kitchen, and many people do have outdoor kitchen where I come from. Don't mind the attire. There's tons of mosquitoes out here. I have no repellent on, so I gotta take cover, hence the attire. Okay, they get me on my neck, on my chest, okay, if I'm not wearing repellent. But anyways, we've been trying to put up this outdoor kitchen, and I wanna, bring back my childhood, memories, and cook out here on the open fire, because I've been using the open fire like you guys see in previous video on there, but I want to be covered when I'm cooking with a roof, because now it's raining. It's been raining like for many weeks. Like we have a couple of days of warmth and the rest of the week is raining, so we've been just trying to build for many days and it's just raining, pouring. So we came out here, we put up a part of the roof. The roof is not nailed in. We put in 3 panels before, now we put another 3 panels on and they're not nailed in, so fingers crossed, make sure no wind come to blow them off. But that's all we've been doing. So you all, in upcoming videos, there are going to be lots of cooking and decorating the kitchen and making the kitchen look really nice, and a lot of open fire cooking. So I'm really excited to bring these videos for you all. I've been doing some silent vlog, and I see you guys like those videos because I see many of you are tuning in and my views are up. So thank you very much, and I'm just gonna give you guys what you like. So stay tuned to see all the upcoming videos cooking outside in the kitchen. And I didn't forget you guys, the apron. I'm going to show you guys also the apron video, how I made 2 beautiful aprons to wear outside. Okay, so that's all the talking for now. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Since it's raining so much outside and I cannot work in my outside kitchen or work in the garden. Let's just do an unboxing for the rest of the video because I need a mic. My mic broke, so this is why I have not been doing voiceovers for a long time. I want a good mic, and so I was able to save some money and invest in a good mic. And this mic was suggested to me by a friend of my son who makes music videos, and this is what he used to make his own personal video and make music video, and that's his job. So yeah, I invested in this mic. It was a pretty penny, but so far I love it. And as you can hear, the voiceover and in my video, the quality is so much better. I'm so happy that I invested in this mic because the first mic that I had, which is broken now, was not as amazing as this one. This one is really professional and really good, and you can make your voice deeper, you can make your voice a little bit higher, you know, you can really just work with the mic.
Instructions.